Law of Attraction Affirmation. Is the law of attraction something you believe in? Do you want to attract more money, success, and joy into your life? The law of attraction's magic is founded on the idea that whatever you think about and believe to be true will manifest into your life. Affirmations, in my opinion, are a fantastic method to change how you think, feel, and act in a good way on a daily basis. Here are 7 affirmations. Recite them out loud every morning. Number 1. Today is going to be a great day for me. Number 2. I am attracted to anything I seek. Number 3. I have the ability to create whatever I desire. Number 4. I am completely dedicated to achieving my objectives and desires. Number 5. There is incredible abundance in every aspect of my existence. Number 6. In all areas of my life, I accept and allow success. Number 7. I am confident in my ability to draw success to myself. You can add or recite your own affirmations. Thank you for watching. Click on the link below for further information.